Hey everyone, my name is Eric Wright, and welcome to my course, Getting Started with HashiCorp Nomad. Nomad is a rising star in the world of data center and container orchestration, and for that reason, I want to get you started on your journey with this exciting open source product from the HashiCorp team and the Nomad community. This course is a quick introduction to get your journey underway with Nomad and includes lots of fundamentals and also working, practical examples of interacting with and administering a Nomad environment. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover are going to include understanding the Nomad architecture, exploring operational basics with node and job management, learning about the protocols that are powering Nomad clustering itself, and we're also going to evaluate some use cases where Nomad is extremely valuable. And as I mentioned, you're going to get some hands-on use and some real command line and web UI versions of how to operate and administer the environment. By the end of the course, you'll know the basics of HashiCorp Nomad and be able to operate your own Nomad cluster with basic job and node administration. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn HashiCorp Nomad with the Getting Started with HashiCorp Nomad course at Pluralsight.